Hey guys, some exciting news from Owens Corning. They came out with a phenomenal color called Evergreen Mist. It has really cool colors in it, from grays to greens, and green seems to be a very popular color this year. And I think that they're looking into next year that it's going to continue in that way. But I've been seeing a lot of trucks, a lot of different types of cars on the road with these different types of shades of green. It has a kind of like an army camouflage effect to it too. So there's a cool video that Owens Corning made to show this color off.
The serenity of a morning garden, where the fresh scent of pines and crisp air meet. Dappled light dances on earthy tan in soft gray walkways. In vibrant greens and blues trace the tree line, the quiet beauty of a mist-covered garden path, and the gentle sway of branches. Owens Corning is proud to announce Evergreen Mist, the 2026 Shingle color of the year.
If you put it on your house, you're going to notice a couple things. It's really going to tie into your landscape, it's going to tie into nature around you, and it's going to give your house a facelift like you won't believe. It's going to make your house pop, and the curb appeal is going to be intense. I really look forward to exploring this color with you and seeing if it works on your house.